Welcome back. If you've ever taken a snap you really wanted to keep but couldn't find it later in your camera roll, this quick guide is exactly what you need. Today, I'll show you how to make the Save button on Snapchat store your snaps both in memories and your camera roll automatically. Let's jump right in. First, open up Snapchat on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This takes you to your profile page where all your account settings live. Next, in the top right corner, tap the small gear icon to open your settings. This is where Snapchat keeps all the important customization options. Now, scroll down a bit until you find a section called Privacy Controls. Under that section, tap on Memories. This is where you control how and where your snaps are saved. Once you're inside Memories, look for an option labeled Save Button. Go ahead and tap on that. Here's the key step. You'll see a few different saving options. To make sure your snaps are saved both inside Snapchat and directly to your phone, select Memories and Camera Roll. This setting ensures that every time you hit the Save button, your snap is stored in both places automatically, and that's it.